How does artificial intelligence impact education? Education stands out as a domain where AI can significantly revolutionize the landscape. It's crucial to recognize that AI isn't meant to supplant teachers, but rather to enhance the educational experience for students, making it more enriching and effective. AI prompts us to reconsider the entire education system and its delivery mechanisms. I advocate for a hybrid approach that optimally integrates AI-enabled systems with human teachers. Students should spend classroom time honing creativity, exploring ideas, discussing, and problem-solving, while AI can offer tailored and personalized learning experiences. Different available platforms exemplify AI-driven learning tools that track student progress and customize learning paths. By leveraging AI, we can alleviate teachers from repetitive administrative tasks, allowing them to focus on more engaging aspects of teaching. Moreover, AI enables universal access to quality education worldwide, transcending language and geographical barriers. It can automate tasks such as grading, summarizing texts, and generating feedback, freeing up educators' time. As education evolves into a lifelong learning journey, educational platforms are harnessing AI to offer diverse and comprehensive online courses. Overall, AI holds immense potential to elevate teaching standards and enhance learning outcomes for both students and educators.